Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the most used, most important run command. So, with search, you can open your run, simply type on run, or simply type on run. You can see in a run, or you can simply press Windows plus R. Here you can open your run. In here, you can type any command. So I'm going to show you the most important run command. First, you can see in here, go to prefetch. It will show you the unnecessary file of your computer. So I'm going to click on OK. Click on continue. So select all your file with Ctrl A and press delete. And skip this file. This file you cannot delete. So skip this file. And close this. Press Windows R again. Go to temp. In temp, this also unnecessary file. So select all of this and press delete. Close this one. And go to temp. Click on continue. And select all of your file. Press delete. Skip this file. Close this folder. Close this. After temp, go to recent. Click on OK. You can delete all your recent activity. So I'm going to simply Ctrl A, select all of this and press delete. Go to tree. Like you can see Windows System 32 tree.com. It helps you to work computer more faster. With OSK, you can enable on-screen keyboard. So I'm going to close this one. In MS setting, you can go to your computer setting. In program data, you can see your program data from here. You can see all of my program data. So I'm going to close this one. Don't delete anything in your program data. The software may delete it or you can hamper your Windows normal activity. In clean MGR, you can clean your computer hard disk. So it default selected C drive. You can select other drive. If you select D drive and click on OK, there has no cache. It can find. So select C drive and it can calculate it, cache an unnecessary file. So click on OK. It will be deleted your unnecessary file of your C drive. Now I'm going to show you another command. Go to Windows R. And here, go to MS config. It will be enable your system configuration, general boot services, startup and tools. You can see all of this in here. In this one, you can see PC overview, CPU, memory. You can see all of this in here. Resource monitor. It will show you the resource monitor of your PC. The next one is regedit. It will enable your registry editor in your PC. So this is a shortcut key for your registry editor. With write, you can enable your Wattpad document with run. The next one is devmgmt.msc. It will be enable your device manager. You can see in here. So guys, this is the most used command for run. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.